welcome. I'm Neha Bajaj, and tonight I'm at the red carpet of Miss Diva 2025 Grand Finale, and I have with me Miss Supranational India 2025 Ayushri Malik.
Yay. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you? You look lovely. I love the crown.
Thank you. I'm so excited. I don't feel like passing my crown. I want to keep it with me, but I have to.
Okay, so Ayushri, lots of memories coming into your mind when you walked the ramp. Tell us something about it.
I mean, I was so nervous, and I can feel how the finalists must be feeling right now backstage. But I must say that whoever is going to win, her life is going to change, and I wish her all the best.
Alright, that's such a lovely wish. Okay, so some tips that you'd like to give to all the contestants who are walking on the stage right now. They are nervous, they all want to win.
I think one advice that I can give to them is that keep smiling because audience will reciprocate your energy. So if you want to look great on camera, you must smile because everybody loves positivity.
Okay, so Ayushri, who has been your favorite actress that you consider your favorite Bollywood diva or your iconic diva, your Sada Bahar favorite actress diva?
My Sada Baha favorite would be Katrina Kaif. I'm a big fan of her because the way she is, the way she handles her fitness, her dance, and everything. I'm a big time fan of hers.
Okay, so one thing that you always check before stepping onto the red carpet, that would be your hair, makeup, gown. What would that be?
I need to make sure that there's no lipstick on my teeth because I just keep smiling like ha ha ha. So I don't want that embarrassing moment of lipstick on my teeth. So yeah.
Okay, so one song that lights up your mood at the red carpet.
These days I'm like turning very spiritual, so I've been listening to Krishna Bhakti a lot. I chant the name of the Lord, and that's been really close to my heart.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. And I have with me Miss Nikita Porwal, who has been the Miss India World 2024. Welcome to the red carpet.
Thank you so much. I'm loving it.
I love your outfit, especially with the crown. And some tips that you'd like to give to all the contestants tonight.
This is once in a lifetime of opportunity today. Just be yourself, be the most authentic, be the best version of yourself, and you'll rock it.
Okay, so Nikita, who has been your favorite Bollywood diva that you've always and always admired for?
I really follow Sushmita Sen ma'am, and I think she's the diva which really inspires me, who really inspires me.
Okay, so again, if I talk about your life, Nikita, again with the crown, so one Bollywood film that defines your life or you really feel connected to?
It's not a Bollywood film. I really think it's Black Swan which defines my life because all my life I have been a person who used to chase perfection, but ultimately lately this crown has made me realize that people don't remember you for your perfection, they remember you for your authenticity.
Okay, so Nikita, what do you check before walking onto the red carpet? Your makeup, your hair, your crown, your outfit, what?
My smile.
That's very, very important.
Yeah, that's
And that can actually, I think, make or break your look.
Yes, totally.
Okay, so some tips for all the contestants who are walking on the stage.
You are here finally at this dream stage of your life. So just own the ramp today. Don't doubt yourself, don't think too much, and just give it your all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Nikita, for talking to us. And I have with me Sushri, who has been a former title holder, Miss India United Continents 2015. Welcome on the red carpet.
Thank you, Neha.
Sushri, I've interviewed before, and tonight you're in a completely different avatar. You look lovely.
Thank you so
So
much.
tell us something about your outfit.
So I'm wearing this brand called Self Centered. It's by a friend of mine, Shimul, and I'm really excited. And I think I'm really excited to see all the contestants of Miss Diva because coming for a beauty pageant is always so nostalgic for me. It feels like home.
Okay, so Sushri, what's more tough, walking on the ramp or acting in front of the camera, because you've done both?
I think both of them are tough in their own way. Both of them are very different. Right now, I would say that I enjoy the challenge of acting in front of the camera a little bit more.
Okay, that's lovely. So again, some tips for all the Miss Diva contestants that you'd like to give.
I think the only thing I would say is that enjoy yourself, have a blast because it's so important. This one moment is going to change your life, and you will, when you look back, you'll be so grateful for it. So I think have fun, smile a lot, and make sure that you're living it up to the moment.
Okay, Sushri, what is the biggest compliment that you've received from the film industry and that stayed in your heart forever?
The biggest compliment was, I think. Honestly, do not take compliments to my heart. I'm somebody who's very humble and very grounded, but at the same time, I feel like the opportunity I got to act in the film Ruslan, you know, as a leading heroine who was able to do action, and the faith everybody shown in me, I think that is something which keeps me going, and I'm so grateful for it.
That's lovely and that's honest. So, one last question. One song that's coming to your mind as you're at the red carpet.
One song that's coming to my mind, a lot of them actually. I am tripping on the title track of Dhurandhar, and I also love Chanel by Tyla. So I'm like I'm vibing on two separate spectrum completely.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us. Have a great evening.
Thank you. You too. Bye. See you.
I have with me Rekha Pandey, who has been the Miss India 2024 first runner-up. Welcome to the red carpet.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful to be here.
Rekha, you look lovely, and I'm sure बहुत सारी पुरानी यादें भी आई होंगी because you walked the stage as well.
Yes, like I was just there, the green room right now, और जो पूरा chaos था, I just went back to my days of in the Miss India pageant as a contestant. जो chaos रहता है of getting ready and being confident, all of that. Yeah, I just got recalled of that.
Okay, so in 2024, what were the things that were going in your mind before you stepped onto the stage?
Oh, well, I have had no idea that I could win. All I wanted to do is wanted to make sure that people will remember me. And when I went on stage, I went on with the thought that whatever I do tonight, whatever the result might be, but I'm gonna make sure that everyone is gonna remember me.
Absolutely, and we remember you too here. So, okay, so one Bollywood actress who has been your favorite iconic diva forever.
Well, I was named after Rekha ji. So she is I think the most iconic. She's loved by everyone in India. My father is a huge fan of Rekha ji, and that's how he named me after her. So yeah, the one iconic diva of Bollywood has to be Rekha ji. She's timeless.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.